In this episode, we are going to manually install the Augmentt Discovery Agent on a Mac device. We're going to do this via a terminal session. But first, we need to grab the installation package. In the Augmentt platform, navigate to Discovery and then Agent. On the right side of the screen, click Download Agent and select the Mac agent. Now, let's open up a terminal session on the Mac where we will be installing the agent. In the terminal window, type sudo-s and enter your admin credentials. Navigate to the folder where you stored the Augmentt agent and run the following command: chmod space +x space asterisk period asterisk. After modifying the folder, run the following command: --install_agent.sh. But before running this command, we need to grab the Augmentt license key for this account. Navigate back to your Augmentt window and copy the license key and then paste it into the terminal window. After running the command, Augmentt will install the agent on the device. Confirm that full disk access has been given to Augmentt under the Privacy tab within the Security and Privacy Settings menu. At this point, the agent should be making its first push to Augmentt with the SaaS usage for this user.
That's my minute. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.